And there was kids going out yesterday wanting any freshmen.
No. All right, everybody. Join me. 4 divided by 4 is 1. -2 minus -3 is +1. 2 minus -2 is 4. If you got the wrong exponents, you did not subtract them correctly in your calculator. I would be willing to bet money if you got this wrong. You said that -2 minus -3 was -5. In your calculator, you would be putting -2 minus -3. That gives you +1. If you put -2 minus 3, you would be getting -5. All right, so that might be part of our problem. All right, 2 divided by 2 is 1. I'm going to go down the page. So I'm going to do the odd. You had to do all of them, but I'm going to do the odds. Take your headphones out. Thank you. -1 minus, okay, look at the M here. I do not have an M. So if you want to put it, you can. You don't have to. -1 minus 0 is -1. -4 minus -3 is -1. I can't write it like this because I've got negative exponents, so this would be MN. 1, 1. Number 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, the X's. I don't know if we went over a lot of these yesterday. Everybody look up here. If you don't have an X, if you have an X on the bottom and don't have it on the top, you can add 1 and just put 0 there. So 0 minus -2 is +2. 3 minus -2 is +5. 9 divided by 12. Math inner is 3/4. -2 minus -2 is 0. So I don't even need to put the Y. Who got number 7 correct? Show of hands. All righty. Number 9. There is not. Does everybody see how there's not an N on the top? You can write one on there and put a 0. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So, 2 minus -1. I'm working on my M's. 2 minus -1 is 3. 0 minus 1 is -1. So this is going to be 4 M3 over N1. Number 11. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 minus -1 is 2 for my X's. For my Y's, it's 3 minus 3. What's 3 minus 3? 0. So you can leave it like this, or you can put Y to the 0. Either way is acceptable. Number 13. All right, I'm going to clean this up. I don't have enough. I don't have a V on the top, so I'm just going to add one on there and put a 0. If you have to add the letter, the exponent is 0. 4 divided by 3 is 4/3. Okay, so on my U's, I've got -2 minus 1, which is -3. 0 minus 3 is also -3. Can't leave it like this, so it's going to be 4/3 B3 X3. That one was pretty difficult. You won't have one that hard. Number 15, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 minus negative 2 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. Number 17, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 minus negative 1 is 2. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. This would be 2x2 over y2. Number 19, 2/3. Okay, I've got an x0. Negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So 2/3 x4 y1. I'm not going to go over the other side. But I will give you a couple of minutes if you need to look over the other side. Then we're going to turn that in. You also need to turn in all of your warm-ups.